Meaning of explicate.
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 Explicate. The term explicate refers to the act of making something clear or explaining it in detail. When you explicate something, you make the implicit explicit, revealing any hidden or underlying meanings or assumptions. The result of explication is a more complete understanding of the subject being studied. It involves breaking down complex ideas into simpler components, examining each part individually, and then putting everything back together to create a more coherent whole. The goal of explication is to bring clarity and understanding to a concept or idea that might otherwise be difficult to comprehend.